To understand whether artificial intelligence can help in network designing and optimization, first let us understand what exactly is network design and optimization. So, in a supply chain network, which starts from my nth tier supplier to my end customer, we have to place our resources and utilize the resources in such a way that I am achieving the most optimum cost to serve while achieving the SLAs that are promised to my customers. So I have to design the supply chain in such a way that I am able to achieve these two things. This is basically called network design and optimization. Now the network itself, why we are saying optimize? Because it may not be the most cheapest network, but it is a network which will help you achieve your SLAs. Hence, you may not be cheapest, but you are still being low cost while achieving your targets. So, how can artificial intelligence help us? Now, in a standard supply chain, you have designed your network and you know what is the demand, you know what are the assets that are available to you to fulfill that demand in terms of your warehouse space, in terms of your transportation assets. You know what are the norms that you have to follow, what are the lead times, and everything is there. So, but these are fixed values, so as to say. However, supply chain doesn't work that way, or the real world doesn't work that way. Now, let's say if I take today's example, there is a sudden disruption in one of the countries of your major supplier due to the pandemic, and suddenly you find your supply chain has turned over its head. So, what would your existing design network, which you optimized, help you? Probably it will not. So you'll have to find alternative means of fulfilling that particular supplier's raw material or whatever he is supplying to you. So artificial intelligence will help you in automatically being able to sense that kind of disruption. Then, based on its own computing, it should be able to suggest to you what are the best alternatives and still try to achieve your objective, which may be reducing your cost or maybe maximizing your profit or achieving your SLA. So, whatever it is, artificial intelligence will be able to help you do that. So, let me explain with an example. So, you have, let's say you designed your network for the next 1 month based on certain assumptions that these your certain demand either for your raw materials or your customer demand will be fulfilled with this network. Now suddenly there was a disruption in one of your suppliers. So and that disruption could be intimated to you in any form. Let's say supplier themselves communicated to you that they will not be able to fulfill their committed delivery time. So as soon as you mark that as a data point in your systems, the AI engine in the background should be able to capture that data point and start evaluating that for this item, if there was a disruption, then what are the alternative sources, and be able to compute for that alternative source that if you use that particular source, then what would be the effect on your SLAs, on your cost, on your profit, and suggest to you automatically that this is the best alternative source. And it should not stop there. You should go and change the purchase order or cancel the purchase order or create a new purchase order and automatically deliver that purchase order to your supplier. So AI should in fact work like a digital twin of your supply chain. So this is the end goal of artificial intelligence, helping you achieve your supply chain network objectives. How far are we from doing that? I think we are quite near. In fact, some companies have already developed a prototype to do that. Of course, you need a lot of data and real-time data to do that. But again, that is also available nowadays. So this is what I perceive artificial intelligence in helping us achieve our network optimization goals. Thank you.